Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mine Algorand on any PC or laptop. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon while uploading a new video. You should be the first person to get the notification. Mining cryptocurrency or different coins tokens on the different platforms is pretty interesting. So like in this video, step by step, I will show you how to mine ALGO or Algorand on laptop or any PC. So mining cryptocurrency is easy, but like for mining cryptocurrency you need the best hardware components. Like for example, in here I have the laptop HP Core i5 8th generation. Is having 24 GB of RAM or 2 GB of graphic card. Here is I have the best GPU which I'm going to mine Algorand coin on this. So on the other side you need a best internet connection. Also this not an advice, it can be damage your hardware components like your laptop or your computer. So this is an example which I'm going to show you the easiest way how to mine Algorand. For this purpose I will open the browser. I will check out the coin market cap. Like here is the Bitcoin today. The price of one single Bitcoin is $66,624, and there is the Ethereum is all time high like $4,706, and there is the Binance coin $645, and the same Cardano just increased its price from $2 to $2.23. So I will find out the Algorand. Here is the Algorand according to the ranking on the coin market cap. Algorand coin or ALGO is the 21 coin that ranked on the coin market cap, and the price of Algorand is 1.93 cent. Here the 24 hour volume, just the Algorand coin decreased its price up to 2.05%. There is the 7-day increased like 2.49%. So there is the market cap, there is a volume, there is the circulating supply. You can check each and everything about the coins that you want to mine on your computer. So for this purpose I will open a new tab and type unmineable. Unmineable miner is a miner that you can mine some mineable coins and some non-mineable coins. There is the 4 different other miners, like there is Phoenix miner, LOL miner, NB miner, and TRX. So here is the unmineable. I will click on that. You can see there are the different coins tokens that you can find in the platform of the unmineable miner. So right now today I will show you how to mine Algorand. Here is you can see Algorand. Before this, minimize the window and create a folder on the desktop. Here I will type ALGO. For this, the miner softwares are third-party software that Windows, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or older version of Windows operating system, automatically the Windows will delete the third-party software, like there is the unmineable miner or Phoenix, LOL miner or NB miner or TRX. Here is, I will open the Windows security. Here click on the virus and threat protection. Again scroll down, click on the manage settings. Here on the exclusion part, click on add or remove exclusion. Click on add an exclusion, select the folder. Here select the ALGO folder that you have created on the desktop and select the folder. Now you can see that the ALGO folder is now added to the Windows security exclusion part. So now the Windows security will not delete the third-party software, like there is the unmineable miner, the miner software. So now, right now I will close the Windows security. Here navigate to the unmineable miner, click on the download, right click on this and download with IDM. You can directly save it to the folder. So in here I will click on the browse option, select the desktop, select the ALGO folder, click on that and click save and click on start download. As I have already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. I will minimize this. Simply I will copy the miner and paste it to the created folder. Once you have downloaded, simply right click on that and click on extract here. In here you can see unmineable miner, so double click on that to launch the software. Here you can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on that. In this window you can see select your mining hardware. If you are having good graphic card GPU, so you can select. So in this case I will select CPU and click on the next option. Here I will select the Algorand. Here you have to enter your address. So in this purpose I will provide you a link in the below down description how to install the Trust Wallet on your Windows PC. So in this case I'm using my Trust Wallet for the address. In here I will open the Trust Wallet. Here you can see the Trust Wallet is now available, so I will double click on that to launch the Trust Wallet application. Here is the Nox Player is a software which allows you to run or install your favorite Android application on this platform. In here select the token. As you can see the Algorand is not available, so I will click on this option to add the Algorand coin here. Now click on this, click on the receive option, copy the wallet address, now paste it here. Once you are done, click on the start. After some few minutes it will start mining Algorand coin. Here is you can check out the last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now, and here you can see payout from 10 ALGO coin. So for this click on the advanced settings. There is this your mining intensity. You can select high intensity, you can select the custom intensity, so you can set a custom worker name, and there is you can set a referral code. And so in this case I'm not bringing any changes on this, so simply I will click on the close option. You can see that the current hash rate of mining Algorand coin with the unmineable miner, there is above 500, so it can cross above 600. So also it depends on your hardware components. For checking the status of the mining, so you can click on the status. Here is you can see auto pay every 12 hours starting at this time whenever the balance is over 10 ALGO. So you can check this box. Once the miner completed 10 ALGO coin, automatically it will transfer from this the unmineable miners pool also, so it will automatically transfer from this platform to your trust wallet. So here is the worker, there is the payments, there is the referral code, there is the states. So you can share your referral code with your friends once they have created their account using your referral code. So you can earn, there is you can say share your referral code to earn 0.25% of your referrals mining reward passively. As you can see that the unmineable miner is perfectly mining ALGO coin on laptop that I've mentioned the specification in the beginning of video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching this. I will see you in the next one.